Hello traders, again welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to take trade with candlestick analyze. Here we can see I already placed one trade with bullish, and I will give you the clarity explanation in the education part. So after this I'm going to place a put option here. Okay, we can move to another pair. Here the market is moving down. Okay, sellers momentum. So here I'm going to place a put option. It's little bit late entry. Here it's like a consolidation area. Here, okay, it made a gap down open, we can see. So the buyers may chance to break that level too. Here it's better to wait for a confirmation candle. Here it little bit late entry because of the fast momentum. So here there is a level, so I expect the preference should be bearish. Okay, look, okay, it was also winning trade, both are winning trade. So here it broke that level, so I expect the present one should be bullish because the market don't stop following the green red pattern. So according to that, the present may be bullish. So here I'm going to place a put option with some margin of safety. Okay, there is a level here, so definitely it should close below my entry, because in the left side we can see so many rejection from that point. So if the market make any retracement candle also, we can expect a winning trade here. That's why I placed a put option with some margin of safety. And here we can see it broke that level. So at any time we can expect sellers entry because there is a round number also, and also in the left side we can see strong resistance. Okay, it's just close below my entry. Okay, because of my entry point it was a winning trade. So here we can go with sellers because we can see some rejection now, and also I will draw something and we can see there is a round number. Okay, there is a round number just above, so if it try to go up it should reject from that round number and go down. So if it's a winning trade, then I will stop my trading because it is my 5th trade. Today I take only limited trades because otherwise when I make the education part it will be very time consuming. That's why. So here we can see the market don't stop following the green red pattern. That's the reason why I placed a put option here. Okay, here the market takes support from that point, so the buyers may again enter here, but I don't take trade here because I'm going to stop the trading section, so we can move to the education part. Okay, we can start the education part. First, I'm going to tell you the reason of this trade. That's why I placed a call option here. Okay, so here we can see the trend is moving down, right? Sellers momentum. And here we can see buyers made retracement candle. After 3 retracement candle, again the sellers start to go down, right? So here it's very weak bullish entry, so the again sellers made new low, and again it's go down, and when it reached this level buyers suddenly entered. Okay, we can see bullish entry from this point, and after again a bullish entry, right? So after that we can see sellers entry. Okay, which means there should be some level here. Okay, so sellers ended and it's a bearish engulfing, right? So after engulfing the buyers made retracement candle. Okay, retracement candle. So next was bearish, right? Next one was bearish, and there is a small gap up open here. Okay, which means it's open near to the key level, right? So after that we can see sellers entry, right? And we need to look at this candle, okay, to predict the next one. So we can see from this point we can see some rejection and it close at this point, right? Just wait, I will draw it clear. From this point we can see some rejection and now the sellers close at that point, right? The sellers close here, which means there should be some level, right? We can see rejection in this candle, here also rejection, here also we can see rejection. Okay, and sellers become very weak, right? So we can expect buyer's entry at least for 1 minute. Okay, and also if you observe here, we can see now the market is consolidation area and it's following the red green pattern. From this area we can see after red again green again red, so again we can expect bullish entry here. So after this we can expect seller's entry, and next was bearish, next candle was bearish here. After again bullish entry we can see, so we can discuss that in the next trade. Okay, so I expect this everyone got clear. And also if we draw a trend line from this point, it also respecting. Okay, that's another reason. So many reasons here to go with buyers. Okay, so I expect that everyone got clear. So we can move to the okay, here I am going to discuss this one. That's why I placed a put option in this candle. If you observe here, we can see after an uptrend the market taking U-turn from this point, right? And also we can see a shooting star, it's a sign of reversal. So we can expect seller's entry, okay, or a downtrend after this, right? So here after that buyers again made a retracement candle. Again what we can see here, again continuous seller's entry, right? Okay, seller's movement, so it's better to go with that momentum. Okay, the sellers should try to reach the next possible reversal, at least to this area. Again we can expect seller's entry, but the buyers may make retracement candle. Okay, so which means it's only a temporary reversal, and after again the seller should try to go down. Okay, that's the most probability. And sometimes the market will reverse from the middle also, but there should be some levels. Okay, so here it says seller's momentum, so I just go with that momentum. That's the reason why I placed a put option in this candle, and I think the next possible reversal is almost to this area, something like that. Okay, so but if there is any such levels also, if you are seeing this kind of momentum, it may most of the time it should try to reach the actual level. Okay, but sometimes it may make 1 or 2 or 3 retracement candle, then it may go down. Okay, so I expect that everyone got clear. It's nothing, I just go with the momentum, that's it. Because I am seeing a shooting star, it's a sign of reversal, so we can expect a downtrend after that. That's the reason why I placed a put option. And here I am seeing a strong candle, so I know that at least for 1 minute again the seller should enter. Okay, so we can discuss this one. That's why I placed a put option in this candle. Here we can see, I already told you that here the market is following the red green pattern, right? It's a red candle, again a bullish entry, again seller's entry, again buyer's entry. I mean red, again green, again red, green. So again we can expect seller's entry. Okay, and also if you observe here, we can see the previous trend was downtrend, right? The seller's momentum that we can see here. So if you observe the left side here, we can see from this point also we can seller's entry, and this bullish candle broke that level, right? There is a level, so this bullish candle broke that level. Simply there is a breakout if you observe the left side, right? So after breakout, 90% of the time we can expect at least retracement candle, at least a retracement candle that we can expect here, because the previous trend was downtrend, seller's momentum, right? So it's like a double confirmation to go with sellers, because we know that the market didn't stop the green red pattern. It's don't stop this green red pattern, and also previous trend was downtrend. Okay, and also there is a breakout if you observe the left side. So most probability for the next candle here should be a red candle. That's the reason why I placed a put option here. So I expect that everyone got clear. That's why I placed a put option. Okay, now I'm going to discuss this one. That's why I placed a put option in this candle. Okay, here we can see after an uptrend, from this point the market start to reverse, right? It's a shooting star candle. It's a sign of reversal at the resistance, right? So after that we can see sellers momentum. Okay, sellers start to go down. So here also I just go with the momentum. Okay, because here we can see a spinning top type candle, and if you observe here we can see a small gap up open here. Okay, it made a small gap up open. So I expect that because of that it's made a retracement candle, because if it opened at the exact closing point of this candle, it will act as a resistance because it broke that level in the left side. So it may chance to go down. Okay, but it's made a gap up open, so that resistance will act as a support. Okay, it's a support and it may chance to go up. The closing point and opening point is very important in the binary option. Okay, so that's the reason why I placed a put option, but because of my entry it was a winning trade, because in the left side I found that there are so many rejection from this point and also sellers entry, right? So which means there should be definitely some levels. That's the reason why I place my order exactly at that point. So if the market make any retracement candle, any temporary reversal, I mean any bullish entry, it may chance to win. Okay, so always try to predict the candle with some margin of safety. Okay, that should be, you can easily avoid so many losses. Okay, so because of my entry point, this was a winning trade. Okay, so I expect that everyone got clear, so we can move to the last trade. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the reason of this trade. That's why I placed a put option in this candle. Here we can see after a downtrend the market start to reverse from this point, right? And also it broke this level also, right? Okay, so it is the present support area, right? And also if you observe here, the market didn't stop following the red green pattern. From this point we can see red green, again red, again green, and it closed at this point and it have rejection, and there is a round number just above, right? We can see it closed, it opened here and it was the closing point, right? And we can see rejection, and just above there is a round number. So if it open here and when it try to go up, and it should reject from this round number. Okay, because this round number is working, we can see some rejection. Okay, so we can expect sellers entry from this point. And also the major reason is the market didn't stop following the red green pattern. That's very important here. Okay, here also it's like a double confirmation, because if we try to go up we can expect the market to reject from this round number and it may chance to go down. That's the one reason. Okay, and next is it didn't stop following the green red pattern. Okay, so we can expect sellers entry, right? And also it broke this level and it may chance to consolidate between these 2 points. Okay, that also here we can expect the market is going up and down, which means there is a resistance here and now it is the support here, and previously this area was the support here. So the market may chance to go up after this consolidation area. Okay, that's why here the market taking support now. Okay, so I expect that everyone got clear. If it don't clear, once more I will make it clear. It's nothing. After a downtrend the market reversed from this point, right? and finally it broke this level. Okay, still now also it didn't stop following the red green pattern. Okay, so that's a major reason here. And also when it opened here and if it try to go up, it may chance to reject and go down from this point, right? And here also if you place a put option in this candle with some margin of safety, that should be winning trade. Okay, so here it's a green red pattern and it's a bullish candle, it's a green candle. So after that we can expect sellers entry. Okay, because another reason is it closed at the previous seller's entry point. Okay, exactly at that point, exactly at that seller's area. Okay, and also round number is another reason. So the most probability for the present candle is a red candle, right? So that's the reason why I placed a put option in this candle. So I expect that everyone got clear. So now I'm going to stop this video. All of you wish you good profit. And also if anyone want to participate in the trading program, you can contact me. And now the registration for the trading program is started. So all of you again wish you good profit and wish you have a nice day.